In a land of previous despair, Siland, a new leader has risen, President Bob, to bring peace to the country at last.
Thank you everybody for voting for me. It really means a lot. For my first act of president, I will destroy all weapons.
What if somebody attacks us? How are we supposed to protect ourselves? We've got to keep some weapons. Yeah, that's right.
One weapon could start a whole war. I ain't taking any chances here, people.
But it's the truth. Don't listen to him. He's a traitor.
Yeah.
He's scared. Yeah. And last of all, he's a chicken. Let's go, Jeff. 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 Now he's gone, so we can keep our weapons and conquer the world!
Bad leader Jeff is away, plotting in his lair to build new evil weapons, awaiting his mad scientist.
What do you think? Minigun or rocket launcher?
I think the rocket launch would be magnificent.
I would agree.
Boss, the mad scientist is here.
Bad leader Jeff.
No, I'm just the narrator. That's bad leader Jeff.
Oh, sorry for breaking the fourth wall. Bad leader Jeff, I have made this for you. What is it? It's the Chicken Launcher 3000! Chicken? Let's put it to use then! Let's attack! Now! On Yalen!
Bad leader Jeff, don't you think we should build a bigger chicken launcher to conquer Yalen?
Let's build a bigger one!
Bad leader Jeff, how are we going to make a gigantic chicken launcher? We don't have enough workers in the factory.
I didn't care where you find them. I just need them now. Build a big one. This exact thing.
Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
A maximum security prison, thousands and thousands of miles away from the central city of Siland, where 4 of the most wanted prisoners lie. A social media star who spreads word on all social media platforms against bad leader Jeff's wrongdoings. A historian who knows of the ancient times in Siland and how dire they were. A writer who writes books about how democracy and how it's falling away from us. A street preacher who preaches the gospel to the locals about human spirit and how our freedom is being taken. They all lie here, waiting.
Sure. His name is Bad Leader Jeff. He's looking forward to destroying Yalehands. You guys with me?
We've already tried that!
Look where we ended up.
We would never defeat Bad Leader Jeff.
Alone, you may have done nothing, but together we're a strong force. Are you with me?
Yeah!
Let's go!
The Chicken Launcher Death Factory, where random people have been abducted from their daily lives to be here, working, slaving away to build a giant chicken launcher to attack on Yayland.
Kids aren't going to be educated.
Stop wasting time. Stupid guards. My crops are gonna die.
My patients are going to be sick.
Who's going to look after my cattle?
I thought Leader Jeff was a good and strong leader, but he's a tyrant.
Shut up and do your work, you dirty grub.
Bad leader Jeff is coming here any minute now.
Bad Leader Jeff! Hurry up!
Hurry up! Go! Hurry up! Hurry up! Have they been doing their work?
Yes, sir.
Have they been tying the screws? Yes. Have they been talking on Snapchat? Hey! Chicken, launch up 3,000. Be ready to launch now to attack on Yayland! Starting in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Wait, there's something coming.
Who are you?
I am the leader of Yayland.
Where's your army?
I am my army.
Is also a trick?
No, this isn't a trick. So listen, leadership isn't power, it's an honor.
There are other people who are important, not just you.
What about the children?
What about the sick? Where do we get our food if the people who go to here?
Weapons are not power, knowledge is. Weapons are not as powerful as words. You can use a bullet only once, but you can use words over and over again.
You may be able to persuade people to follow you with weapons, but they will eventually be you with knowledge.
We need strong leaders. We can't waste all day talking about what to do. Winston Churchill said democracy is one of the worst forms of government, except for all the others. And the world has tried many forms of government, and democracy is the best one so far.
You, the people who make life beautiful and a wonderful adventure. You can use your power to change the world.
They think of themselves, but build very little. They build frenzy. They build a bad world that makes them happy. Dictatorship is not reasonable.
You have the power to change everything. Happiness lies in your hands.
She's right. We were wrong to follow bad leader Jeff.
Dictators die and tyrants rise. Knowledge and power and kindness and the right to have a say can lead to everybody's happiness.
Democracy is fragile if you don't look after it and watch for people who want too much power.
We think too little and want too much. That's bad, because we're fools to people who promise to give us what we want.
It's up to us.
Leadership isn't a power, it's an honor. An honor given
Of the people, by the people, and for the people. Attack! I'm going. Lucky have you by my side. You take out the word, just us two.
Not today. Dictators are chickens.
Chicken, 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 chicken.
Everyone's in charge. Let's have an election.
Yay!
before you choose?